In this video, we will discuss simply room decoration ideas with DIY magic, so watch this video till the end. Transform your home with simple yet eye-catching decor ideas that blend creativity with magic. This video will guide you through innovative DIY projects for your room makeover. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and elevate your interiors without breaking the bank. Start by collecting everyday materials like fabrics, paints, and recycled items. These accessible resources will be the cornerstones of your unique decor creations. Armed with imagination and basic tools, you're empowered to craft stunning decor pieces that bring life and personality to your spaces. Begin with wall art that captivates. Use simple frames and colorful paper to create geometric designs or abstract patterns. Experiment with layering and textures to add depth. By embracing DIY magic, your walls transform into dynamic canvases of vibrant self-expression and visual intrigue. Breathe new life into old furniture by upcycling. Sand down surfaces and apply fresh coats of bold colors. Incorporate stencils or decals for added detail. These revamped pieces not only revive your room's energy but stand as personal statements of sustainable and stylish innovation. Craft chic accents like handmade vases or personalized cushions. Use fabrics in earthy tones accented with vibrant hues to craft a cohesive style. These bespoke accents infuse warmth and charm, seamlessly tying together your decor narrative and refreshing your room's aesthetic. As you dive into these simple decor ideas, allow creativity to guide you. With each project, you turn ordinary into extraordinary. Your artistic journey transforms your home into a personalized heaven that reflects your distinctive flair and passion for DIY magic. Try out these DIY decor ideas and share your creations with us. Subscribe for more inspiring content and remember, every room holds a canvas waiting for your creative touch. Let your DIY journey inspire others and turn your home into a masterpiece. Get crafting today.